Testing 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, so I'm making this little video on how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube video when you're editing in iMovie using Adobe Express, which is their free tool. So the first step is we're going to go to adobe.com and sign in. You still need an account even though it's a free tool. And then we're going to go to Adobe Express. And we're going to search here for background. Remove background. Okay. The next step is to select your clip in iMovie and then just scroll through it and try to find a snapshot or whatever that you like. For my clip here, I like this last bit. And once you have it selected, you want to go to full screen. It starts playing, so you'll have to pause and then navigate to the shot that you like. Click on the screen once so it hides the thing. And then you want to press Command space, type in screenshot, choose the screenshot thing, and then select capture entire screen on the bottom here. Once it's selected, you'll see the camera icon, and then you just click on the screen. And it takes a screenshot. I'm just going to hide that. Now you're going to go to Adobe Express, find your screenshot. I'm going to try to find it here. And you go to Adobe Express, click on Browse, find your screenshot. For me, it's just on my desktop. I'm going to click on it, select it, and press Upload. And once I do that, it just removes the background. So, and then I can also just add a background if I want, right? So any of these funky things, or I can just do transparent, which is what we're gonna do, and then press download. Allow. And now I have that. The next thing we're going to do, now that we have our little screenshot from our video, we're going to go back to Adobe Express, go to the search bar, press thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to do add photo. You see right over here, it says add photo. Upload from device. I think I have it in my downloads, screenshot. And I'll select upload. So now that I have my thing here, I'm gonna move it to the corner. Now I have one part of my thumbnail, which is just, my face, and that's what's gonna go in the video. I can try to play around and put it like that. What I can do is go to elements, backgrounds, and then we can select the background here. I'm going to do something randomly, just let's say that, right? Then what I can do is I can go over here, add text. So I'll just put a title here. And then turn it white. And then I'll increase the outline so it's visible. And then we can just move it here. Increase the size so it's readable. And go back to elements. I can go to design assets. And yeah, I can choose that. And then I can increase the size of that. I'll put my text on top of that. So you now see that it's hiding it. I'll have to right click on my text and select bring forward. That sends our little graphic backwards. And I can increase the size of that graphic. Text over that so it's even more visible now. And that is basically my thumbnail. So yeah,